In this quick video, I'm going to explain how to fix common issues with the Tesla rearview mirror. Whether it's a loose mirror, auto-dimming not working, or camera problems in models with the built-in rearview camera mirror, here's what you can do. First, if the mirror is physically loose, check the mounting bracket. Firmly adjust the mirror back into place by tilting it until it locks securely. If it's still wobbly, inspect the base for damage and tighten any screws if accessible. For advanced repairs, contact Tesla support. If the auto-dimming feature isn't working, start by cleaning the mirror's surface. Dirt or smudges can interfere with its sensors. Next, ensure your car's software is updated, as outdated firmware can affect functionality. Restart your car by turning it off completely, waiting 30 seconds, and turning it back on to reset the system. For Teslas, with a built-in rear-view camera mirror, if the camera feed isn't displaying properly, clean the rear camera lens and check for obstructions. Restart your car and ensure the software is up to date. If the issue persists, recalibrate the cameras through the service menu or visit a Tesla service center. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe to the channel for more Tesla tips and troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching and enjoy a clearer view on your drives.